welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down with your finger to the additional settings. Now just go here to the gesture shortcuts, and here you can see that you can launch Google Assistant with a press for a while to the power button. And now, as can you see, our Google Assistant is activated. Also, we can take a screenshot when we slide with our 3 fingers down. Now this function is activated. When you just tap here on the screenshot, you can delete that, save, you can change the screen. We'll save that, for example, and then I think you can find this screenshot in your gallery. Also, we'll go to the turn on torch by the double press on the power button. As can you see, yeah, that's work. Now we'll just close this application. We will turn on that and we'll go into the button shortcuts, and now you can see that we can use here the, for example, combination with the power plus with home or menu or back button and we can open, for example, the Google Assistant. We can turn on torch or take a screenshot. For example, we'll just now with the power button and menu just try to activate the torch, tap power button, and okay, that was now as can you see, our flashlight is activated. So okay, now for example, you can with the long press to the menu button, for example, take a screenshot. Okay, as can you see, we can do that. And for example, we can with the long press to the power and back launch the Google Assistant. Okay, we can do that. We have to just switch to none. This home button you can't at the same time use the same function in difficult combinations. Just for example, power and back and launch the Google. Okay, and as can you see, that's really work. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.